Story Nest.
Wendy the whale, with her cheerful grin and barnacles polished, and Charlie the crab, scuttling excitedly with streamers in his claws, decided the coral reef needed a celebration. They envisioned a dazzling underwater party for all their finned, shelled, and tentacled neighbors. Bubbles would dance like confetti, and the light filtering from the surface would create shimmering rainbows on the sandy dance floor. Charlie, with his meticulous nature, busied himself decorating. He draped seaweed garlands between colorful anemones and carefully arranged glowing jellyfish lanterns that pulsed with soft light. Wendy, with her booming but friendly calls, spread the word throughout the ocean depths, inviting everyone from the speedy tuna to the wise old sea turtles. As the sun dipped below the surface, casting long shadows that danced with the currents, the guests began to arrive. Finny the fish zoomed in with his school, their scales shimmering like 1,000 tiny jewels. Shelly the starfish gracefully floated down, her arms waving hello. Even Grumpy Gus the grouper lumbered over, a rare smile flickering on his face. The party was a splash. Wendy and Charlie took turns DJing, playing rhythmic clicking sounds and whale songs that got everyone swaying. The sea turtles showed off their slow but steady dance moves, while the dolphins leaped and twirled in the water. Delicious seaweed snacks and plankton punch were served, and laughter echoed through the reef. As the party wound down and the glowing jellyfish lanterns began to dim, a feeling of warmth and togetherness filled the water. Wendy and Charlie looked at each other, their hearts full. It was the best underwater party the reef had ever seen, and it was all because of their thoughtful friendship and the joy of bringing everyone together.